I'm tired of hearing I can't. I'm tired of hearing I'm too busy. It's time to inject your reality with the truth. You absolutely can. And the reality is that you have the same 24 hours as everyone else. Today is the day that you will forsake the negative thoughts that you allow to plague your goals and ultimately your actions. Today is the day that you will work that extra hour. You will say that extra thank you. You will do that extra rep in the gym. You will read that extra chapter of that book, and you will save that extra dollar. The only thing standing between you and your goals is your capacity to put in the work. No more blaming your location. No more blaming your income. No more blaming your marital status. Look, every one of us can come up with a laundry list of reasons as to why we can't. But today is the day where you will make that laundry list of reasons as to why you will. Eliminate every single excuse that gives you the ability to fall back on. Today is the day that you will take full ownership of your life. Today is the day. Will you own it?